Do you know how to stack multiple columns into a single list in Excel? Instead to go to the single sheet, we have the trick through the Power Query that helps to solve us this situation. Let's go! At the beginning, just select the whole column and go to Data. Press on the From Table range, and we are going to create the table for our Power Query. Here we have 3 different columns with the name and surnames, and we wanna appear them as 3 different lists. Let's create a new function, just writing table 2 columns, and we are going also to choose our source and press enter. As the result, we got 3 different lists that contains our columns. Cool, it works very good. But let's say that we wanna combine all these lists into one single list. Not problem at all, just write list combine, close the bar and press enter. Just in 1 second we got the one list with all the names and surnames. Guys, that is not all. I have something more for you. How to combine the multiple columns into one in Excel. We are going to use the toCol function. Follow the link in the comments. Anyway, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.